AuctionWorx makes it easy to import multiple listings using CSV files, but they have specific rules and formats that must be followed. Sometimes it becomes a headache when your file's columns have different names or when your data doesn't follow their specified rules and formats. This leads to import process failures, forcing you to manually correct columns and data. Meet CSV Normalize, the smart mapping solution that automatically aligns any CSV file with your required template format. Let's see how to create a template. Click on New Template button. Enter your template name. Now we'll grab the correct CSV template from AuctionWorx. We'll download this template and upload it on our CSV Normalize site. And click Next. The AI has suggested the data types and format, which we will now modify to conform with AuctionWorx's rules. Refer to AuctionWorx's specified rules and apply them here. Set the data type and mark the required fields. Click Save. Now that your template is generated, it's a one-time process. You can use it to standardize as many files as you want. Process it to create the column mapping for your data. Here is my listings data that I want to map and format. Upload the file and let the AI map the columns. You can also edit this mapping if you wish. The AI will record your preference and apply it to your next processing. Now, let's validate the data. This shows the errors in your data file based on your template's rules. Let's correct this error by specifying the category ID instead of the name. After all corrections are made, click Generate CSV to create your normalized data file. Now, we will upload this file to the AuctionWorx and confirm that the listings have been successfully created. This is how you can normalize your data for a seamless AuctionWorx CSV import. Get started for free, no sign-up needed.